How to log in Ktmb Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Ktmb Career. Login in Ktmb Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser, for example Google Chrome, Brave, etc. Navigate to Ktmb Career page. In the address bar, type Ktmb Career login and press enter. Access the login section. Look for the login or sign in button. This is usually located at top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Enter your credential. In the username or email field, enter the email address associated with your Ktmb Career account and enter your password in the password field. Click the sign in button to proceed. Two-factor authentication if enabled. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your registered mobile phone or email address. Access Ktmb Career dashboard. After successfully login, you should be directed to your Ktmb Career dashboard. From here, you can access various features including job application, profile information and other career resources. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. Also hit the subscribe button for more tutorials.